Hello everybody, welcome back to Techno Waves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and honest reviews. Today we are checking out something that's not just a speaker, it's a style state. Yes, I'm talking about this Igloo 2.0 speaker from Zebronics. With its unique design and powerful sound, this one promises to take your music vibes to the next level. So let's jump into the unboxing. So here's the box. Zebronics always keeps their packaging simple yet premium. Right on the front, we see the Igloo branding and that cool design. On the back, here you can see some specifications and it is a USB powered connectivity. So let's unbox it first. So inside the box, it's sleek and compact, something you will proudly keep on your desk or in your living room, and it's in orange color. The build quality feels solid, premium, and on the front you can see you have got the two speakers grilled with subtle Zebronics branding. Yes, it's the subwoofers. Here you can see here is the inline for volume control. Here you can see we can adjust the volume, and the connectivity is wired. One is USB and one is auxiliary input. So talking about its features, and has the auxiliary and USB connectivity, and the most importantly, it's compact but still delivers a punch. So let's test it out. So I will connect to my laptop. Wow, the sound quality is actually impressive. The bass is deep, highs and mids are balanced, and for its size, this Igloo speaker really packs a punch. Whether it's ADM, whether it's a party, Bollywood or podcast, it handles everything smoothly. Let's quickly run through the pros and cons. About its pros, it has unique and stylish Igloo design, compact but powerful sound, deep bass with 2.4 gig, 2.4 channel clarity, and it has wired connectivity option, guys. Yes, the cons is it has wired connectivity options, no wireless and no remote control included. But honestly, for its size and price, this Igloo from Zebronics is a total winner. And talking about its price, you will get this speakers around 800. So that was the unboxing and review of this Zebronics Igloo 4 speaker. If you're looking for a compact, stylish and budget friendly speakers that delivers powerful sound, this little Igloo is worth every rupee. If you enjoyed this video, make sure smash that like button, subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel and drop a comment below. Would you use this for your desk setup or living room? So I would love to know. So do you all? So thanks for watching, guys.